Hey, this is Olu, and today we'll talk about the difference between borrow and lend. So let's start. First, with borrow, I use it when we take something from someone for a period of time. For example, as we can see, Sarah and her dad. So we say that Sarah borrows a book from her father. She will give it back after 1 week. So I use here borrow because Sarah will take the book and give it back after 1 week. Second, with lend, we use it when you give something to someone for a period of time. As we can see here in this example, Adam and John. So Adam lends his car to John for the weekend. So here, after the weekend, John will give the car back to Adam. So, in a nutshell, borrow means to take something and lend means to give something. And now it's time for a bonus tip. We're going to talk about the present, past, and past participle of the verb. So, lend. The past is lent, and the same with the past participle. With borrow, the past is borrowed, and the same with the past participle. And that's all for today. If you liked today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you didn't, share with me an example in the comment below to check your understanding. And I will see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.